Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide on how to fix Play Store downloading pending problem. If your Play Store is not downloading, maybe you download something and it's just there and writing downloading pending or pending. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix that problem. If this is the first time you coming across this channel, please do it to subscribe. Let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take is to go to your Play Store app and tap and hold on it. Then click on App Info. If you can't do it this way, you can go to your settings and click on App Management or App List. Then search for Play Store. Then it's going to take you to this place. The next step you need to take is to click on the storage and cache. You can go ahead and clear the cache and also the storage. Okay. Then the second step you need to take is to click on the permission. Then everything, okay, allow everything here, allow all of them, just allow everything, okay. Then you need to first stop the app here, okay. Once you have done that, you can now go ahead and restart your device, okay. Then after you have restarted your device, now check if you can go ahead and download something and know if it's now working. So it's on how to fix and Play Store downloading pending. If you found this video helpful, cause of conservation and this video, please do to subscribe to this channel. Let me in the comment section if you have to find anything difficult on this channel. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Bye.